guys, welcome to a brand new week. Last week was not so much of a bad week then, but the outcome wasn't that perfect. Last week on the watch list we had the EURGBP, the USD CAD, and the Euro CHF. A quick recap of what we had on the watch list for last week. For the EURGBP, we had this trend line in place already, but then there was also this 50 or 60 pip range to look at, and one of the ideas was a break of the resistance or a break of the support. A break of the resistance came about alright, but I found another resistance from the trend line and fell back. That is, we can also get a new trade idea from this retest of the trend line, which was support some time ago, now new resistance. For the USD CAD, I was rooting for a retest of this support level for an up move or for a break, but then the last parameter which I specified was what came true. We broke the resistance of this market structure and it stayed choppy throughout the whole week. For Euro CHF, on which I lost some few pips, we broke above the resistance of the descending channel, but then the market chopped around the level for the rest of the week. It barely moved the whole of last week. For this week, we have the GBPJPY, the CHFJPY, and the EURGBP on the watch list. Beginning with the GBPJPY, we can see a market that has been consolidating for months. Out of this consolidation, we have a head and shoulder structure. A head and shoulder structure is a bearish structure, alright, but then with this one, we haven't gone below the neckline. The neckline is still intact. GBPJPY hasn't broken down out of the neckline for it to be a confirmed bearish head and shoulder. So in the coming week, the first instance I would look at for shorts is a break below this level. That is the 140.857. It is a horizontal support level and it is also below the neckline, so it will be a very greater confirmation for the best. With the CHFJPY, I see a long-term uptrend that starts from September of last year up till now. This uptrend has produced only a few pullbacks. The whole of last week was spent pulling back again. So for now, this uptrend line that we have on this pair has only 2 touches. It is very small for a trend that has lasted this long, almost 6 months. We spent last week pulling back and we are waiting for the third touch. On the third touch, the trade idea would be to go long if it holds, or to go short if it breaks this trend line plus this very horizontal level, that is the 111.725. I'll be more interested in playing the break. It will take a lot more for me to consider a long position, if it holds. And finally, to the EURGBP, you can see a market that has been on the decline since August 2019. It has totally gone to the best, but last week something beautiful happened. We had a break of this trend line a failed break, a final break, and the retest of the trend line, which was former resistance, as new support. The Euro GBP bulls seem to be setting in. So as long as the price of the Euro GBP stays above this marked trend line, the bulls have an upper hand. So in the coming week, there could be another retest of the trend line before we finally go up, or a break above this very horizontal level, that is the 0.85383, would render the Euro GBP bullish. If all those scenarios don't come through and we go below the trend line, that will be a false break. That will mean the bulls have failed at their work. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week.